I'm going to show you how to populate the data grid view. First, we need to connect to the database. If the database is MS Access, you must choose this data source. But if the database is SQL Server, you must choose Microsoft SQL Server database file. So we will choose Microsoft Access. Browse the existing database and test connection. As you can see, the database is now connected. So we will add data source to fill the data grid view. Check the tables. And now we are ready to populate the data grid. So if you want to easily populate the data grid, just drag and drop. If you want data grid, just drag and drop to the form. And now as you can see, the field that have in the MS Access database is also displayed in data grid view. And if you want to change the data source, just choose data source and you can select to the existing data source that has been connected. So let's test if the database is empty or not. So the database is not empty. This is how to populate the data grid.